Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 6 best vacation spots in the USA, tailored specifically for senior travel. Whether you're looking for all-inclusive vacations for seniors on a budget or adding destinations to your retirement travel bucket list, we've got you covered. And stick around, because we'll be breaking down the prices and showing you how to make the most of your travel budget. One, Key West, Florida. Begin your journey in the sun-drenched Key West. Known for its stunning sunsets and laid-back vibe, this tropical paradise offers plenty of all-inclusive options. You can find packages starting as low as $150 per night, which include meals and activities. Stroll through the Hemingway House or take a leisurely boat ride, perfect ways to enjoy senior travel at its finest. Two, Napa Valley, California. Retreat to the vineyards of Napa Valley. Known for its world-class wines, Napa offers serene vineyard tours, many of which provide senior discounts. Stay in charming bed and breakfasts for around $100 a night. Don't miss the Napa Valley wine train, a scenic ride that combines fine dining and beautiful views. Three, Smoky Mountains, Tennessee. For nature lovers, the Great Smoky Mountains are a must-see. With over 800 miles of hiking trails, you can enjoy leisurely walks or more challenging hikes. All-inclusive lodges start at $120 per night, making it an excellent option for budget-conscious seniors. Four, Charleston, South Carolina. Step back in time in Charleston, where history meets southern charm. Enjoy guided walking tours of historic sites, dine in cozy, affordable restaurants, and stay in lovely inns for about $90 a night. Perfect for your retirement travel bucket list. 5. Sedona, Arizona. Known for its breathtaking red rock formations, Sedona offers relaxation and adventure. Local spas provide rejuvenating treatments, and all-inclusive resorts start at $140 per night. It's a perfect escape for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. 6. New York City, New York. Take a bite out of the Big Apple. Explore museums, Broadway shows, and incredible dining options. Senior discounts are available at many attractions, and you can find reasonable hotel rates starting at $150 per night if you plan ahead. The USA has endless marvels to explore. From the charming streets of Savannah, Georgia, to the artistic vibe of Asheville, North Carolina, each location offers something unique for senior travelers on a budget. There you have it, folks. The top 6 vacation spots in the USA, perfect for creating unforgettable memories. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure, there's a destination that fits your budget and travel style. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Thank you for watching and happy travels.